What is the debt ceiling and should you even care about it? We'll talk about that in just a moment. Hey, friends, Adam Hammer here, Chief Investment Officer at Hammer Financial Group in Lockport, New York, and Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. All right, so what is the debt ceiling? Well, think about it this way. When you were a kid, you may have had a piggy bank, and every month you put $10 into the piggy bank, and you did that month after month after month. Then eventually you can't put any more money into the piggy bank. It's stuffed. You're capped out. You can't put any more money in. It's a little bit how the debt ceiling works. The debt ceiling is the amount of money that the government can borrow. And once it reaches that limit, it can't borrow any more money. So it has to find a new way to borrow money. And the way to do that is to have Congress raise the debt ceiling. Now, of course, Congress is a political body, and there's a big political fight in Washington about how much spending should take place and how much the debt ceiling should be raised and so forth and so on. But in short, that's what the debt ceiling is. It's a cap on the amount of money that the government can borrow. Now, in terms of why does it matter to you as an investor? Well, the big thing is just the uncertainty that would happen if the debt ceiling does not get raised. If the US government cannot pay its bills on time, that would create a lot of fear in the market, fear of a recession, and all that fear would likely cause a lot of selling. And it's the uncertainty, the volatility, the fear that can certainly spook Wall Street and would definitely impact your investments. Now, the good news is that in years past, both political parties, they've made a deal. It's really never have dragged on very long. Neither side wants to be blamed for a market crash or an economic calamity. So it's highly likely that a deal will get done. In fact, by the time you're watching this, maybe a deal has already been announced. So in the end, something to keep an eye on, but not really lose sleep over. And we will continue to keep an eye on it. Before we let you go with this video, I want to just share my screen. How's the stock market been doing? You know, you've heard all about these horrible news and everything is bad and so forth and so on. Let's just take a look at the NASDAQ. This is from Google Finance. Year to date, market NASDAQ up over 24%. That's a heck of a run since January. And the S&P doing reasonably well, up close to 9.5%. Still some ways to go to make up from the big decline that we had in 2022. But nonetheless, this year continues to be positive despite what you might hear on TV. All right, that's it from me. Hope you found this video of value to you. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions, and we will see you on another video. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.